And another thing that you have said, and I want to make sure that everybody takes the time when you present the property. Doesn't matter how small, how big the property is. And I remember the 5 pictures. Talk to them how they should invest the first time they actually post this property, how they should do it, because presentation is everything. It's like when we meet each other. The first impression is what tells everything. Same thing with a property. So we talk about marketing all day long. You have 3 seconds to catch somebody's attention, right? How important are those pictures when you actually post a property into Airbnb?
It's two things. It's the pictures, the first picture, right? Because that's gonna make you click on the listing. But how do you make that picture stand out? It's in the design, in the space. Like if you decided, normally my living rooms are what's attracting your attention. And I use different colors so it will pop. So for example, in Florida, because you're talking about Florida, there's a very like a standard type of pictures that you see. Everybody is doing a clean cut design, modern, beautiful, but there's no character. So when you scroll down, you will see 20 apartments in the same building and all posting the same pool, the same entry, the same, it looks the same because it's a building, apartment building. So how do you stand out? You have to go the extra mile to maybe put artwork that will stand out, maybe a mural, maybe a color. It's just have fun with it. Like you have an opportunity to have fun with the design and put that as the first pick. At least make people click. Now, when they clicked, you got their attention. Now it's the 5 photos, right? You can give them a little mini tour with the 5 first photos and make sure you have as many spaces as possible. Don't give me like different angles of the same living room. I want to see where I'm going to sleep.
Right.
Like, don't go overboard. Like if you have a pool, like give me as much, because basically Airbnb is looking at how long the guest stays on on your listing to determine if it's a good listing to show it to more people. Because what Airbnb wants, they don't have any attachment to you or to any other host. They want it to be booked on their platform and not like in booking.com or anything like that.
Of course, yeah.
So they will give the guests suggestions where to go if they didn't find anything interesting in your listing. So that's where the magic happens, when they know how to the retention of their attention on your listing.
Nice. Amazing. Okay, good.